Hey everyone, so for today's video we are going over to my friend Vince's house, yes, with the orange 350Z. Long story short, it is in disrepair. We have to replace his camshaft position sensors. So without further ado, I'm going to drive on over there and let's get this thing all situated for him. And I'm going to have this air conditioning on full blast because it is super hot in here and I need to take off all my clothes.
It's getting hot in here, so hot, so take off all your clothes.
We should be there in a couple minutes. Everything should be going pretty smoothly and stuff. I don't think that we should run into any problems. I'm having a pretty good day. I wish that I got an earlier start. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But, you know, plans fall through. It's how we respond from them and how we live and make decisions from those points. So without further ado, I'm going to head on over there. And then we're gonna get on our grind and just get that fixed up and then have a good day. Guys, I'm really bummed out. I keep trying to plug in my iPhone thing, yet it keeps saying no USB. It's not focusing. It's saying no USB on there. Okay, this thing is plugged into my phone. Sad day, guys. I'm gonna have to make a stop over at Apple, probably. I'm gonna stop by Apple on the way home. Pick up another one of these cords because one of these things are just junk, man. Why don't they just last longer? I don't know. Apples are like the only ones that don't usually break, or they last the longest before they break and stuff. So I am going to make a stop there later today, and then we are going to get going after that. But without further ado, I'm just waiting at this stoplight, guys. You guys feel me? Stoplights take forever. Forever. Oh, there's people looking at me. Oh, we should wave. Hi, bye. Okay. Oh, they're looking out. It's awkward. Super awkward. And of course it is because I'm just filming myself. And they're like, why is this guy filming? What's his idea, man? And I'm like, I don't know. I'm just filming over here. My minions look over there. Oh, look, say hi. They're in the background. Oh my gosh, that's awkward. Okay, we'll keep going. And speed up and a little bit of fake turbo. Oh, I love that. So funny. So realistic too. Right? Anyways, we're gonna get going. We'll be there in probably like 5 minutes, and I will see you then. Wow! There's people on the roof! Ah! Okay, we're here at his house. We're gonna see if he's here, and if he's not, we'll knock on his door, I guess, and we'll go from there. I don't see his car anywhere around, which maybe it's just in the back there, so we will see, guys. We will see. There he is. Star she blows, right?
Alright, do you think we have room or should we scoot it back?
Oh, we got plenty of room, mate. It'll be easy. The only shade we'll have is from the hood, man.
Yeah?
We'll be good. We'll be chilling. How'd you get it back here, though? I would be concerned about driving it through there.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. Dude, honestly, that should be like all the tools we need. Woo, let's go. Clean engine. Pop the hood.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
You know.
Almost there?
Oh, there we go. We got it. You know where it is?
Yeah.
Did you watch? Where is it? Let's see if I'm testing you.
Right? Oh, here. Let me go from this side.
Oh, okay.
Right down right there.
Yep, there's two. One on
There's
each
two.
side right there, and the other side. Yep. Should be pretty simple. It's just one bolt. I think it was a 14 you said? Or is it 12? No, 12.
I thought
12.
it said 10.
It might be a 10, might be a 12. We have both. We'll do it. Okay. Oh, he pulled off the cover. Dude, it's so dirty underneath.
Yeah.
You need to like, look at that. It's like dirty and dusty. Everything else is engine dressed.
Yeah.
It's okay. We got our things. Which one do you think it is, 10 or 12?
We'll go at 10?
Well, guess and check, mate. Just go for it. Wing it.
Let's see.
You know which one it is?
Maybe it looks a little different than
From the video? Okay. We'll see what's like. One at a time, it's this little guy down in there with the green plug. Right there. Yep. So we'll just like yeet. I'll get to you in a second. Okay, we just pulled it out and there it is. And I think that one of the videos online says that if there's grease in it, which you guys can't really see, but there's grease in it, which there is, then it means it's bad, right?
yeah.
That's what I was concluding from that. Anyways, so we got the new sensors. Those are expensive, but we're gonna have to put those in and clean that plug from grease, and then we'll go from there. there, he's gonna turn on the car and see if it turns on and stuff. Well, it's dirty. Look at all this engine grease on me. Sounds fine?
Yeah.
Oh, little bit of a whoop whoop. Go. Woo!
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Both the lights are off except the check.
But that's something that goes off after time. Woo, baby. Looks like that one thing fixed it. We just have this other one, but he's probably gonna return that or something. We'll see.
We should look at the other one.
You guys can kind of do it. We undid the intake needlessly, but you can kind of feel it's around the back corner, kind of where his hands is. But this one is even worse than the first one. This one has a lot more oil all around it, and I think you're happy that we found this, right? So we're gonna redo this one, because that's, look at you. When was the last time you changed your oil, man? That's like black. Yeah, you probably should do that, like pronto, just saying. But first we need to put in the new sensor, the sensornator. Okay, gonna put this back in and get this in. Hopefully it's a nice fit and I can get it in. Right, dude?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's just a nice little close-up right there. Oh, wait, oh, it's in. We're in, baby.
I cannot get this for the life of me.
Okay, I'll help you in a second. It's a little too big, mate, or a little too small. You can't get it around. Oh, you're too small?
Yeah, I am.
You have that problem? You shouldn't be too proud about that, mate. He's proud that he's small.
Very
small
proud.
And proud, guys.
Small and proud.
Yeah. Did you
That's
like
why I
that
have a
little
loud exhaust.
Oh my gosh, yep, to make up for other things that you don't have. That makes complete sense. Okay, do this freaking, there it is. Like, this freaking wrench on it for the life of me.
Dude, yeah, I'm really loving this stuff. The dress up.
You know, you see it, I'm like, you don't like it, huh? That's what I'm saying, I'm like, you know what it looks like? Chicken butt.
You get me every time. Every single time.
For all of you that don't know, I like to make these long stories and try and convince people to just say the word what, and as soon as they say the word what, I'm like, oh, I got you, and then I say chicken butt, and like, god damn, Max, like, you got me again. So that was that. You just what are you doing? Oh my gosh, see, dude, when you actually use your hands, I told you. Oh, there we go, a little pat. You just need to use that. He's flexing, guys. He's flexing for all you ladies out there.
Even from the last one.
Even though there's 98% of you that are actually male that are watching this. Yes. Like,
all 30 what?
35 now. We went up 2 subscribers.
Oh yeah.
I forget who.
People saw that exhaust video and they were like,
They're like, oh, I've been watching ever since the 350Z exhaust video. Hashtag TJ Hunt. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, there you go. Just nice little tug. You need to install that little screw right there, mate.
Where?
Right where I'm pointing with my finger.
Where is it?
Right there, mate. Right. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Oh, just a nice little thread. Oh man. Finally, guys.
Did you get it?
Woo! I'm done. I beat you. How did I beat you? You had 2 things. I had like this. It's an intake, man. What you doing? Hashtag why you're still single. Can't work on a lot of things. Did you just say bet? Dude, I hate people that say bet, like, high key. Oh my gosh. No, I bet you ate it when I say that. Guys, please help me. SOS. Save our souls. Is that what that stands for? Save our souls?
You're like stranded?
Yeah, SOS. Save our souls. Save our souls. It's not save our ship. Yeah, here we're
Comment
stranded.
down below.
We're stranded on an island. Save our ship, not us. Don't save us.
No.
Save our ship.
Save the ship.
Don't. Dude, that's like something like SOC, save our cars, not the person inside of it. It's like, oh,
Just the car.
just the car. That's honestly the part that matters, guys. I mean, I'm ready, dude. Do a little startup. Oh, he opened the door. It's getting serious now. Little bit of a rev. You know, I forgot to plug it in. That might help if I plugged in the sensor, you know? I realized that after.
Oh.
What?
You didn't plug it in?
I didn't plug it in. I didn't realize.
You just put it in?
Yeah, and I didn't plug it in, yeah. That's a nice meme. I can't find the sensor. Oh, here it is. There you have it. See, I told you guys, when you plug in stuff, things work. Give it a little nice little rev. Oh, I want to feel the AC. Oh, just showing off his paint fade. Obviously, we're looking at the paint fade. This is the new GTR 2018. Comment down below if you like it. How are you able to afford this? Oh, he's financed by daddy. Oh my gosh. Speaking of which, there we go, guys. We just got everything situated. It was just those two sensors. I'm back in my car enjoying this nice air conditioning right now. Anyways, we got it all done. He's in there moving it in or whatever, but it was great. Easy install. Had a good time. It's really freaking hot though. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna start heading over to the mall and to the Apple store, and I will get back to you guys in a minute. Damn! Look at that wide body! Woo! You guys can't see it, it's horrible lighting. I will show you guys in 1 second because I am gonna be parking right next to that guy. Oh my gosh, guys! Look at this. Damn! Damn! Just kidding. Whoops, forgot to lock it. Okay, guys, look at this fitment, though. Is that paint? Let's see if it's paint. Oh, that's really shit wrap. Okay. Well, look at that car, though, guys. Look at that green mobile. I should become friends. Look, they're racer buddies. That's a really nice meme. Alrighty, guys. I'm headed over. We are at the Westfield Mall in Escondido. We are gonna go to Apple, pick up a cord, maybe two. We'll see. Just walking in. Favorite part is you just go like, just like opens. Oh man. And 1 meter. 1 meter, 19. Yeah. We're going. Cool, baby. So I just got this out. It was actually only like 20 bucks, so it's actually better than I thought. Back to the car with the new headphones. So, not headphones, I guess it's a power cord. But what I've always come to know is that there's this little green thing on the back. I never knew this was there before. I always used to just rip them open, but Apple kind of thought of that, and you just kind of yeet. We got it in. It's a perfect fit, guys. It works. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting the power cord and helping my friend out with the Z. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Guess it's time to end it.